Today is May 13, 2024. I am reviewing SPY. Look at the SPY here. Today's, it's a perfect trading for the strategy. One of my favorite strategies. I always mention here the 50 cross 200 on 1 minute and 2 minute time frame. For 1 minute time frame, I always say 90% of the time for the 1 minute time frame, 50 will cross 200, and for 2 minute time frame is about 85% of the time. For the 50 cross 200, so it happened today for both time frames, 1 minute, 2 minute. It's just perfect. It doesn't happen that often, but today just happens. Usually 1 minute, for the 2 minute, you get it, about, I would say 7 to 8 out of 10 times, you get it, in the same day with time 1 minute. The probability is still high. That's a good, odds, you know how to use it. It's still on our side. Okay, look at the what happened. Today it had a gap. And then hit 520, 2.5, 522.60. It got rejection. And after that, it just sell off slightly, push down. I shouldn't say sell off. It just, push down, fill the gap. And then finally 50 cross 200 on 1 minute and 2 minute time frame. It finished the correction. For those who went short, should be able to pick up at least 1.5 point, in my opinion. You should be able to pick up 1.5. If you didn't get 2 point, that's fine, but at least 1.5, I would say, is pretty safe, based on the strategy I use. Okay, let's look at the 30 minute. So Friday, it stopped. It had a gap up too, and then 522.59 got rejection first time, and today this is second time. 522.60 is major resistance right here. Second time, it just had rejection, but it's not bearish. Two different things. It's still not bearish because at today's close is still above, a little bit above Friday's close. So I wouldn't call it, too bearish. Don't be so bearish. If tomorrow we have data, right? PPI data and Fed Powell speeds, those might affect. If we retest the 522.60 again, it might break above. Once break above, I'm sure it will hit double top. Okay? But once break above 522.65 area right here, once break above, it will go all the way to double top tomorrow. So watch out. And for below, so now we have support. This is definitely support right here. We can see 519.58, 50, and also the 519.58 right here. So support. Once break below, then it will retest a little bit lower. And don't forget 519.25 is a 5-day moving average. So somewhere around here. So we still have support, around here. We have 5-day moving average support and below 10-day moving average. But again, I said on Friday, how many days 10 days moving average haven't been tested? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So far 7 days. This is not a good sign. Okay, usually the maximum days for 10 days not being tested, about 9 to 10 days. So getting there. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. The 10-day moving average hasn't been tested. So you should, come down either, somewhere the candlestick or the 10-day moving average have to meet together somewhere around here. Keep going and probably sideways a little bit. Okay, then meet together somewhere around here. Probably one more week, probably a few more days, either this week or next Monday. It will happen. Even tomorrow have a double top. This is a major resistance. If we break through it, just be mindful. Okay, if it got rejection, that means it has to come down. Has to come down, to test the 5-day and the 10-day moving average. So again, for the 10-day will be like this. 5-day will be like this, somehow closer. Hopefully, tomorrow it hit double top and then got rejection. If it got rejection, then come down. And then next few days, we'll hit this 10 days moving average. So remember the pattern I set here. Let's see what will happen. Okay, and look at the Dow Jones. Also, I said, another bearish signal. I said slightly bearish today. Right? I said on Friday, for the Friday review, look at it. Look at 60-minute chart here. It's for the RSI is in overbought area for quite a long time, 2 days. So it has to come down to correct. Of course, you can have a 3 days, but I think maximum is a 3 or 4 days. That's the most in the overbought area. Now 2 days is quite extreme, 2.5 days basically. So it has to come down to have a correction. Dow Jones is still not bearish. It just has a pullback as projected on Friday. I would say the uptrend still continue. Target is double top right here. At least, let's see it will have rejection. If it doesn't have rejection, cut through it. Man, this is strong. There's a rejection, then pullback will be healthy. Okay, so for tomorrow's support resistance, again, we see support, 5-day moving average, 10-day, that's the worst. I don't think it will worse than 10-day. I don't think it will hit below 50-day. I doubt it. Okay. But 5-day support, this one support, that's 10-day. And up there's double top is a resistance. Let's see it will break above the major resistance, double top. If it happens to double top based on the data release, okay, we will see. Then you know what to do. And look at the smaller time frames, 1 minute, 2 minute. Now 2 minutes, the 50 is below 200, and 1 minute is above 200 moving average. Let's see it either gap down to determine which direction to go. Tomorrow it's going to have a gap up or gap down. So good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.